show me that, show me that, show me that, show me that. Show me the light and show me the road. Show me the things I should already know. Forgetting them things in this new life I chose. New personality, swear that I pose. Used to be frightened to fight on my foes. Now I'm right here and I'm writing my woes. Overreacting on all of the lows. Panicking, well, you know how that shit goes. Yeah, my future the Lord only knows. Yeah, worried about where it goes. Yeah, faith is the way and it shows. Yeah, one thing I know where I'm headed. For greatness I know that you said it. I believe it, I know that you meant it. Assurance in life when you sent him, yeah. Shine a light on my yellow brick road. You the only wonder wizard I know. Show me something now.
Hey everyone, my name is Adam. I'm currently a 4th year medical student studying in the UK. In today's video I thought I'd take you guys through my entire hospital accommodation here in York and show you guys around my room and potentially do a little cheeky house tour after of all the other rooms as well. So it should be quite a fun video. My uni accommodation here is only 5 minutes away from the hospital, which is really useful. We can just walk in without having to drive. It's quite good. So coronavirus has definitely changed student life for us here at university, meaning we're spending a lot more time at home. So I thought it'd be interesting to show you guys what life is like when we're not in the hospital and in this house which has 7 medical students, 4 of us being 4th year and the other 3 being 5th year, who are all studying for their exams right now, so they're probably not going to be in this video. But I'll show you some of the other rooms too. I know the 4th years have agreed to show their rooms, so that should be quite fun. But yeah, I'm going to start off with my room since we're here right now. And yeah, I'm going to invite Luke to film me around. Should be quite good. I'm excited to show you. So I thought I'd show you guys the main part of the room first, and that's obviously the sink. Now you may be thinking, Adam, why are you showing us your sink? Well, it is literally just a sink, but it is really handy. Not everyone has one, and it's especially useful at night time when you really need to go for a pee. Underneath here, I got a bit of space underneath my sink. So here I just keep things like squash and protein powder, and that's basically so I don't have to go and put it in the communal kitchen, and so it doesn't get finessed there. So moving on to my desk, here I've got a monitor. It's a 27-inch HP monitor. Got this relatively cheaply with a student discount, and honestly, it's literally been a game changer. Especially when you're on a dual screen, it literally just saves you so much time being able to like have multiple things on your screen at once. It's literally the best thing I've bought at university, hands down. Got a 2017 MacBook Pro here. Got that as a gift when I graduated from my previous degree in biomeds, and yeah, it served me well. Got a notepad. I sometimes take this with me onto the wards if I'm clerking a patient. Yeah, it fits in my pocket quite nicely. And I've got like a wireless keyboard and mouse here. Pretty standard. So that's basically my desk, not much else to show there. But if you look down here, got a nice new addition to my desk, courtesy of the guy behind the camera. So this is it's a Trust subwoofer. And yeah, it's just so unbelievably loud, it's amazing. And yeah, the good thing about it is that everyone can listen to the music at the same time as me, so it's quite a community event. It's quite a social event, although most people when they do hear it, they tend to knock and say, oh, can you keep it down a bit? Just a tiny bit. To which I reply, but yeah, that's the subwoofer. I'll show you guys my paper tray right over here. So if you come over here, there's a little, got a little paper tray, just pretty standard, just to organize my stuff. Previously my shit was everywhere, but now it's all nicely organized. If you look over here, it's quite precariously placed, but that's obviously because there's not enough space to like stand it. So yeah, it is how it is. We move. So this is my chest of drawers. It's a bit annoying because it keeps opening because the floor is a bit tilted, so I have to keep shoving shit underneath it so it's more even. So yeah, and here I've got a fake plant. Adds to the aesthetic.
Brought back from the Amazon by your grandma.
Yeah, my grandma got it from an Amazonian rainforest. If you look around here, I've got a light strip as well. Whoa. And yeah, that's a bit of a nice aesthetic to my room. It's a pretty standard lockdown decoration. You guys have probably seen a million of these. But yeah, that's my sort of desk area. Move on to the window. Yes. So
look at that natural light. The golden hour.
Might be. Ooh,
oh,
that brightness.
Ooh.
Might have to
take over. That's yours. You got it.
Okay, I've got it. This is the view from my window. We've got some lovely bins over there. We've got the hospital just over there. So on the other side of my room over here, we have some cupboards. So these are where I keep my clothes. And over there is a scrub drawer. And why do you have a whole entire drawer for your scrubs, you may be asking? Well, because I have literally so many right now. I initially had one pair, but both me and Luke needed some more. We went to the medical school reception and asked them for some more scrubs. So the kind lady went and she literally just brought us like these 2 massive bags of scrubs, like probably raided the entire surgery department. They're like this, and it's like, oh, here you go. And so now we have like a pair of scrubs for every day of the week. Like, I've literally got like so many now. But yeah. So this is my bookshelf. So here I have some books that I like to read on the side. Here I have all my medicine textbooks. I've got an Obs and Gynae book, Rapid Obs and Gynae. This is actually written by the Adam K, you know, the author of...
oh, This Is Gonna Hurt.
Yeah, This Is Gonna Hurt, yeah. So it's a really quick book, very fast, read it, rapid. Yeah, so we've got the Oxford Handbook of Clinical Medicine, a very classical, famous book. Absolutely useless for our year. We're 4th year, so we need to know stuff like pediatrics, obs and gynae, stuff like that is not in this book. So it is kind of useful for things like neurology, which we do have this year, but other than that, it's more a book for 3rd years and 5th years. So there's that book there. Up here I have my camera lenses and a Polaroid camera there too. Here we have the main player. The first time I've taken it off its residence over there.
Hinges.
This is like an antique. I barely ever use it. Like, I only really use it for examinations and stuff.
What do you use to scrub your back in the shower?
My stethoscope, actually. And it's funny that you say that. I use these two and I go. And just below my stethoscope there is a lovely fireplace. But yeah, most people in this house have a fireplace in their room. A bit random, I don't know why. It doesn't even work. Got a nice little light here too. It's an RGB light, so you can change whatever colour you want. Makes a nice little vibe at night time. And yeah, that's basically my room. So yeah, we're gonna go on to the other rooms now and see what they're like. Let's go. So yeah, this is Luke's,
a bit messy.
Luke's room.
I've been caught.
Caught you red-handed.
There we go. Nice
So yeah.
and tidy. This is the room.
This is very music inspired, as you can tell.
Yeah.
You've got the keyboards.
It's quite cozy, isn't it?
It's the vinyl player.
Cool.
You've got the
See,
guitar.
this stuff would look really cool in your room. The usage of the space.
It
There's so
would.
much stuff.
My
It's all clumped together here.
thing is, my room is very minimalist, and I like it that way. It's just so clean and tidy.
It's
I feel
almost
like this would just
too
clutter.
minimalist. Your
No,
room.
see, minimalism is good. It's clean room, clean mind. You ever heard that?
Clean and minimalism aren't the same thing. You can have a clean room that's not minimalistic.
But my room is clean and minimalist. You see that?
Yeah. I just think you'd be much happier in this room.
I don't think I would, to be
You
honest.
would.
It's not a bad room though. It's nice. Leave in the comments down below what song you want Luke to play, and he'll play it.
That was not good.
Yeah, here's the view of the outside the house. There we go. It's a nice little. I've given away.
All of your fans.
Guys,
You're gonna be
please
wasting
don't
outside. Please
come
don't
and
camp
stalk
out,
me.
yeah.
Yeah, camp out. Please
Yeah.
don't camp outside of my house and you know what I mean.
I've just discovered this. This is when they broke into my room and moved everything. No, not that. It gets worse. It's avocado related. Right?
Yeah.
So Lara did that ages
Yeah.
ago,
Okay.
and that's like hardened avocado.
It's grim.
It's like it's part
I
of
can't even
the
see it, but it's so like
part of the door
hardened.
frame
Yeah.
now. Yeah. So,
What's going on over here?
but they broke into my room obviously when I wasn't here, and
Yeah.
they moved everything, and they've added something to my room that I've only just noticed.
It's a mouldy avocado.
It's so grim.
Here's another room. It's pretty big. This is Lara's room. It's quite nice, very spacious. Got a massive window there. Got a lovely bear. So yeah, now that we've seen those rooms, we have an empty room here, which has Luke's name on it, but it's basically just an empty room that was used as a little prank. Let's come downstairs. Got some nice little, whatever this is, some birds. Yeah, very aesthetic. Got a living room. Here we are. Very nice Christmas tree. Look at that. Wow. Just disintegrates when you touch it. Look at that. Beautiful. Yeah. Kitchen. We got the
Food in oven.
oh,
Bit of an issue here.
so we got a toilet as well here. Got a crazily small like shower, like you can barely fit in that. It's like a matchbox, but yeah, it does the job. And yeah, that's the kitchen. Oh, we got a tumble dryer too, useful. Right guys, back now from that little house slash room tour. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thought I'd make a little fun one to mix things up. Again, do like and subscribe and hit that bell button to be notified for my new videos. Hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.